Today I'll be showing you how you can find out common multiples of two numbers. So in this lesson will be common multiples. Okay, so for example, we want to find out what are the common what are the common multiples of, let's say, 12 and 12 and 8. Let's see. So I'm not sure if you watched the previous video, but it will show you how do you find multiples, but basically it's very simple. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36. Yeah, so it's basically 12 times 1, 12 times 2, 12 times 3, right? So 48, 60, right? And the multiples of 8 will be, let me write it properly. Multiples of 12. Multiples of 8. Okay, so same, you just times, right? So this 8 times 6, 8 times 7, 8 times 8, 64, right? So to find the common multiples, we compare these two and we see that 24, that's here is 24, and then the next one we see in common is 48. Right, so you see the list, right, could go on, and the list here also could go on and on. So usually what will they do? What will they ask? They might just ask what are the first two common multiples of this. So you see, first two common multiples of 12 and 8. So the answer to this will be the first two common multiples of 12 and 8 are 24 and 48. Okay, that's about it for common multiples.